This evening we'll be looking for the moon that will indicate whether tomorrow will be Ramadan or not. If the moon is not sighted, then Ramadan will commence on Friday, but if it is sighted, Ramadan will commence tomorrow. This tradition has been going on for as long as there's been Muslims in the Cape. Muslims have, in Southern Africa, Muslims arrived at the Cape first, so the tradition would have begun here a lot longer than it's taken place in other parts of the country. Yes, every year, in fact every month, an organization known as the Crescent Observers Society, they come and sort of look for the moon or seek the moon out, which will indicate the commencement of the new month. So this is a tradition that's been going on in the South African community, particularly the Capetown Muslim community, for a very long time, for probably more than 300 years.
أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة.
But the community also come out in large numbers to observe this with the Crescent Observer Society. That's also another tradition that's been going on for a long time.
The moon got its own character, I would say. For example, tonight, the moon is more than 21 hours old and more than an hour to sight. But as you can see, can you sight the moon tonight? We don't know. That's a mystery. Alhamdulillah. That makes it so exciting. We don't use binoculars, telescopes, or any other optical aids to sight the moon. The naked eye, completely, we're very strict on that.
Assalamu alaikum, Imam Malik. Hello, this is Ramiz. Yes, certainly. Yes, the Ramadan moon has been sighted. Yes. Thank you very much. I'll see you at the Taraweeh. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.